In the Bengaluru rental market, tenants today have more choices than ever before. Beyond location and rent, one factor consistently stands out in their decision to stay: how quickly and efficiently maintenance issues are addressed. Fast, professional property maintenance is not just about fixing leaks or keeping the lights on. It's a powerful tenant retention tool that enhances satisfaction and boosts your property's reputation. In this video, we'll explore how to deliver outstanding tenant service through quick, streamlined maintenance, covering everything from setting expectations and communication to leveraging technology and building vendor partnerships. 1. Setting maintenance expectations from the start. Successful property maintenance begins before the tenant even moves in. At the time of lease signing, clearly outline your maintenance process, including what counts as an emergency, how to raise a service request, expected timelines for resolution, and the designated contact person. Sharing the details of your property manager or maintenance team ensures tenants know exactly where to turn, reducing uncertainty and stress when issues arise. 2. Implementing a centralized request system. Avoid the inefficiencies of scattered communication channels by adopting a centralized maintenance request system. This could be a property management app, a dedicated email, or a verified WhatsApp business number. Having one consistent point of contact helps you track issues, maintain service history, prioritize requests, and respond faster, ultimately enhancing the tenant's experience. 3. Prioritizing issues by urgency. Not all repairs carry the same weight. Establish a clear process for categorizing maintenance requests into emergency, urgent, and routine. For example, emergencies like gas leaks or electrical faults demand immediate attention, while minor repairs can be scheduled. Share your response timelines, such as a few hours for emergencies, within 24 hours for urgent tasks, and 2 to 3 days for routine ones, so tenants know what to expect. For building a trusted vendor network, a robust maintenance system relies on skilled professionals who can deliver quality work on time. Develop a network of trusted local vendors, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, pest control specialists across different areas of Bengaluru. Maintaining strong relationships, offering timely payments, and aligning them with your service standards ensures they remain committed and responsive. 5. Leveraging technology for tracking and automation. Use property management tools like MyGate, RentOK, or even versatile platforms like Trello and Google Sheets to log, assign, and track maintenance work orders. Automation helps streamline recurring tasks like water tank cleaning or AC servicing, while maintaining a complete record of past issues. This not only speeds up repairs, but also offers transparency during tenant move-outs or dispute resolutions. 6. Communicating clearly throughout the process. A lack of updates can frustrate tenants more than the delay itself. Keep tenants informed at every stage. If a repair is delayed, explain the reason and provide a new estimated completion time. A short call or quick message is often enough to reassure them that their concerns are being taken seriously. Consistent communication builds trust and professionalism, often outweighing minor delays. 7. Preventive maintenance for fewer breakdowns. Reactive maintenance alone can leave you constantly chasing repairs. By scheduling regular preventive checks, such as inspecting plumbing, servicing electrical panels, cleaning tanks, and checking for pests, you can reduce the likelihood of urgent repairs. Preventive care not only minimizes emergencies, but also shows tenants you prioritize their comfort and safety. 8. Balancing speed with quality repairs. While fast repairs are important, cutting corners to save time can backfire. A quick fix that fails within weeks erodes tenant confidence. Work with vendors who prioritize quality and choose reliable materials even if they cost more. A well-done repair reduces repeat complaints and enhances your property's reputation for dependable maintenance. 9. Sharing post-maintenance updates. After completing any repair or service, provide the tenant with a brief update. A simple message detailing the work done, such as electrical wiring repaired by XYZ services, safety checks completed, reassures tenants and confirms the job's completion. If possible, include photos or invoices for added transparency, especially when using a property management platform. 10. Gathering feedback for continuous improvement. Once the maintenance is complete, request feedback to measure tenant satisfaction and identify improvement areas. A quick question like, Was the repair completed to your satisfaction? Not only shows you value their opinion, but also allows you to address any concerns before they escalate. Over time, these insights help refine your maintenance process and vendor selection. Bonus tip: turning maintenance into a tenant retention advantage. Instead of viewing maintenance purely as an expense, recognize it as a powerful investment in tenant loyalty. In cities like Bengaluru, where word-of-mouth recommendations influence rental decisions, a reputation for prompt, high-quality maintenance can boost lease renewals and attract new tenants, even if rents are slightly higher. Conclusion: delivering excellent tenant service through quick and efficient property maintenance is all about consistency, communication, and organization. Whether you manage a few flats locally or oversee multiple properties from overseas, these practices will keep tenants happy, reduce your workload, and increase long-term profitability. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the SANGAU channel for more expert property management tips that help you get the best from your rental investment.